Hey everybody, welcome back. So I have a haul for you, an Avon haul. I placed an order for campaign 16 and campaign 16, actually right today that I'm filming this is pretty much the last day. You might be able to order tomorrow in the morning on Tuesday, and then we switch over to campaign 17. So I placed my campaign 16 order let's see, what did I get? Did I get anything that's currently available? I got things that are available in 17 and 18. So without further ado, I will tell you guys what I picked up. I did grab 2 more of the Espira hydration packets. This time we thought we would try the lemon lime flavor, and I did get another of the berry. We had switched out we were giving Keith's dad Gatorade, but they have a lot of sugar in them, and so the sugar-free Gatorade is kind of nasty. Like, it has an aftertaste and it's kind of yucky, but he needs some electrolytes and vitamins and stuff like that for hydration. So we said, well, let's try giving him some of this Espira, and he actually took to it really well. So I think that's going to be a thing that we regularly order now, but we thought we would try the lemon lime because I previously had only had the orange and the berry, and then we got another berry flavor. So 2 of those. And then I picked up, let me see, available in campaign 17, just bunny on my campaign 17, I grabbed something that I had mentioned wanting, but I didn't get it the last time, so I grabbed it this time, and it is the Glow Moist Fix and Mist, the Belif VDL. So in campaign 17, it's going to be right at the beginning of the brochure. I love facial mist. You guys know I'm really into facial sprays and stuff like that, and so I was really excited to try it. So this is what it looks like. It came in the a box like so. It's got like holographic type packaging. I used it yesterday and today, and actually I filmed a Get Ready With Me with some new products, and this was one of the ones that I used, and so you will see this video, the haul video, before you see the Get Ready With Me, but you will be able to see this in action. So it looks like this. I guess the other side's in French, so yeah. I just love facial sprays. I love facial mists. I love sprays that can double as a primer and a setting spray and stuff like that. So I'll just tell you a little bit about what it says for this one. The Belif times VDL Glow Moist Fix and Mist. It's a 2-in-1 setting spray that primes and preps and then sets makeup for a naturally radiant finish. Ultrafine mist with hydrating ingredients keeps makeup smudge proof and looking fresh even in high humidity, and we have had some crazy humidity lately. Non-greasy, non-sticky sheer formula, absorbs and dries quickly. Used prior to makeup for dewy, glowing skin, and then to set to refresh makeup throughout the day. And it is 3.3 fluid ounces and $38. So I did use it today as a setting spray in that video, and you guys will be able to see that. And so far, I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Alright, the other thing I picked up that's for campaign 17 that I had mentioned to you guys was the super cute, the VDL times Pantone primer mini kit that looks like the little paint can with the mini primers in it. It is so cute, and I really wanted it because I wanted to try that new primer, the Classic Blue Booster. The Boost Primer with blue mauve, nuanced pearl, and refreshing hyaluronic acid for instant visibility, radiance, and bursts of hydration. Weightless, creamy gel formula visibly cracks, brightens, and evens skin tone and texture. Creates a velvety, smooth, flawless finish. And then you also get the mini of the Lumilaire Primer, which I love, the Lumilaire Primer Fresh, and the Satin Veil Primer. And you get it in a super cute little paint can. And it's a 5-piece set for $39. So I did get that, and it's so cute. It is a little bit small, but I think the primer inside of it are worth it. So it comes like so. I don't want to put the lid back on it because the lid's kind of hard to get off. So this is what it looks like a little paint can. the top of it says VDL on it. It's the classic blue, which is Pantone's color of the year, in case you didn't know. And then inside is the mini primers. So this is the blue one. I had to pull that one out because I used it in my Get Ready With Me. And then the other 3 are in here. So I love having these little mini sizes as travel and as a chance to get to try the other ones, because the only one I've tried is the Primer Fresh, and that one I was like on the fence about, but you know, I love the Lumilair. I have the full size in that, so I'm glad to have a small size for travel of the Lumilair, but I wanted to try the Satin Veil, and then I was really excited to try this Boost one, and it's really fun. So they are in like little bottles like so. I also said in my other video, excuse my nails, I went to do my nails and I was out of nail polish remover, so I couldn't take off my old and put on the new. But I was like, are they going to be pumps or what? But what they are is like a little spatula. So yeah, and then I have a swatch on my hand from my earlier video, but it's actually got like a blue shift to it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it or not. Maybe a little bit. So like the Lumilair that you've seen me show a billion times has that pearlescent purple pink shift. This one is like a blue pink, but it's not anything over the top. I have it on today under my makeup. I think it created a beautiful canvas. Really, really like it. So I'm hoping somehow that I'll be able to get this in the full size, because so far I like it just as much as I like the other. But yeah, so cute that it comes in a little paint can. I think that's adorable. I have seen some reps saying that they had a hard time removing the lid and that they had to actually send it back, but I didn't have a difficulty at all. It had tape on it. Over here, this part, like, taped the lid itself, and then you just popped it up like a paint can. You know, you just pull on it like a paint can. Now I won't be able to get it, but you know what I mean. You can see the lip there, and you just work it up and pull it up. So I'm really excited about that. I'm happy to have it. I love that VDL primer. I think it's fantastic. So then the other 2 products are debuting in Campaign 18. So Campaign 18 isn't for another 2 weeks, but we have a new foundation. It is Powdered Luxury. So it's the Cashmere Complexion Powder Foundation, and I wanted to try it for you guys so that I could get a feel for it and let you know my thoughts on it by the time it debuted. So this is what it looks like. I did get the shade 110. I think I got Cool 110. And it's actually, I think, a little bit light for me. Let me use my scissors to get this box open. I should have just left it out of the box. But I wanted to show you, you know, what it looked like and everything. So this is the compact. It's got fingerprints on it because I've been using it. Today was the 3rd day I've used it. And I did get, yeah, like I said, C110 Cashmere Complexion Powder Foundation. You open it up, and the foundation is in there like so. And underneath that is a compartment to hold your sponge. I used a brush to put mine on. But you can use the sponge, and you can apply this damp or dry. I have tried it both ways, so I'm still like not positive, but how I like it the best yet or anything. But it is the weightless, it says luxurious weightless formula with a long-lasting soft focus matte finish. So it's important to remember that it is a matte. Use as a foundation or a setting powder for buildable medium to full coverage. Amino acid coated pigments control shine and visibly smooth skin for perfected all-day wear, with vegan collagen, lavender oil, artichoke, and chamomile extracts. And the intro price on that is $30, and it has a pretty wide range of shades. Like I said, I got the C110, and I think that that is a little bit light for me, but it's okay. Come wintertime, you know, probably be okay. So I'm going to continue to use this and give you my thoughts on it in the Get Ready With Me. I applied it with a damp brush, so you'll be able to see how it does that way. I will also use it dry in another video so that you'll be able to check that out and see what you think. But I haven't made my decisions yet because I said I want to play with it some more so that we know how it does before I, you know, say what I'm going to say about it. But I do talk a little bit about more in that video. And that will probably be uploaded after this one. So, and then also debuting in campaign 18 is the pineapple corer. So Avon, if you'll remember, used to have a pineapple corer a long time ago. Everybody loved it. It was a very popular item. It sold out, and I think they brought it back once, and we haven't seen it in a couple of years, and now it's available again. It's going to be $16.99 in campaign 18. And as soon as I saw it in the What's New, I'm like, I am getting it because we missed out on it the last time. I have seen this pineapple corer in action. It is amazing. So I will be doing a demo of that for you guys. I don't have a pineapple right now though, so I've got to get one. I think I'm going to the store tomorrow, so I'll get one. But let's take a look at it. It's very lightweight, extremely lightweight, and it does come with instructions, so that's good because people like me need instruction. And it's very sharp, so I'm afraid, actually, I can feel how sharp the blade is down here through the plastic. But this is what it looks like. Oh, this instrument of death. So yeah, so this blade is really, really sharp, so I want to be careful. But basically, you cut the top of the pineapple off, and then these spiky things right here, you take this and you smash it down into the pineapple, and as it smashes, you turn the handle, and this corkscrews around, and it spirals out your pineapple. Yeah, and then you pop this handle off with these buttons, and then your rings, you can just slide them down the other way. So Keith will be doing the demo for that. I cannot be trusted with sharp objects. So, but I'm really excited to use it for you guys. I love fresh pineapple. I'm pretty much a creature of habit with a lot of things, and I never thought I would be a person that's like that, but I am. And my one habit that's pretty consistent is that I eat cottage cheese for breakfast every day, and I eat cottage cheese with either green grapes, or sometimes I will use like sliced strawberries or blueberries, fresh, you know. And in the winter time, it's like always green grapes, or occasionally, like if we don't have any fruit that looks good to purchase, I'll use like canned peaches or something like that. But I do love fresh pineapple with my cottage cheese, so I'm really excited about this because you can get fresh pineapple for pretty inexpensive at the store. I popped one of the bubble wraps. Did you hear it? Let me pull the instructions out first, and then I'll put it back down in there. So yeah, you can get pineapples pretty inexpensive at the store. We just got two not very long ago at Aldi when we went, and we ate those. But Keith's been, doing it the old-fashioned way, and by hand, and this will be a lot easier. And also, when it's done, you can have a hollowed-out pineapple and drink a fun summer drink out of it. Yay! So that's going to be debuting in campaign 18, but I'll do a demo of that once we get a pineapple for you guys. So hooray on that. So that is what I got for campaign 16. Oh, one more thing I forgot. I did get one of the lipsticks from the limited edition Neon Rules collection. I'm not wearing it right now, but I do use it in the Get Ready With Me. I did get the red shade, and it's called Red Light. It's very bright. And I tried it in the Get Ready With Me just so you could see what it was like. I have on the Birthday Balm right now, the one in Surprise. And I also have on that blue mascara in the Electric Lash, the limited edition. It's so fun. But so, yeah, I forgot about this. So I got this, and it is the packaging like so. And they only come in 2 shades, pink or red, and I got the red, and look how bright that is. Oh my gosh, it is really, really bright. So we'll go ahead and swatch her for you guys. But it's a really bright red. Well, it's not exactly red. It's a difficult color too. It's like a pinky, corally red. It's weird, but it's pretty. I like it. So I did wear it yesterday, and then I wore it for a little while today, and then I switched over to this balm because it's a little bit more comfortable on my lips to have the balm. But yeah, so this is also currently available right now. I think these are $9.99. Let me look and see how much those are for you guys really quick. Let me see if I can find them. I don't know where it's at exactly. Is it going to be at the beginning of the brochure, or is it in with the rest of the makeup? I don't know. Yeah, I can't find it. So it must be at the beginning of the brochure. Let's see. Yep, it's at the beginning. Here it is. Yeah, oh, they're $14.99. And it comes in like that pink shade, and then the one I have, the red. So it looks redder on that woman than it does on me. I don't know. It could be my coloring. The other one is called Electric Pink. And it says it's a satin finish, but I don't find it particularly shiny or anything. So I don't know. But anyways, that's what I got for my Avon haul, my Avon order for campaign 16, and I will be back to do a video for campaign 17. We're going to go through the brochure, and I'm just going to do old-fashioned going through the brochure together like I have been in the past. I know like recently I haven't done one of those too much, but I'm gonna do that for this one. Probably it's not supposed to be so hot this week, so I'm hoping Wednesday it's nice enough that I can sit outside and do it. It's just been so hot, like crazy hot, like 95 with a heat index of like 103. I mean, I can't sit out there. You guys don't want to see that. So yeah, but I'm so excited about my little Pantone paint kit of mini primers. That's ridiculous, but I'm excited to try the rest of them too. So I'll list everything that I got in the description section below with the product number for it and when it's going to be available, as well as the makeup that I have on my face today, if that is still available, because I did use some things that are discontinued. So look for that Get Ready With Me. That'll be up soon. You'll be able to see that Cashmere Complexion Foundation, the lipstick, the setting spray, what else? The primer, all that stuff in action. So definitely look for that. Question or comment below, and I will see you guys in the next video.